am Pen Hong Thong. Today we have two guests. We have Jane Klein and Kathy. Welcome to the show, guys. We're gonna make some fresh spring rolls today. These are coming from my new cookbook called Healthy Lao Cuisine. I hope that sounds good, right?
Sounds good to me.
Okay, let's start with the honey peanut sauce. I usually make just a peanut sauce. This one time, we're gonna make honey peanut sauce for the health issues and all that. We're gonna start with where's my stuff? Here. Let's make peanut sauce first. Okay. Instead of blender, I'm just using this. Have a cup of honey. Oh, see if I can get this out. This is pretty hard. Got to soak it in warm water. Let's see if I have a spoon in here. Or you can use brown sugar if you don't want honey. But packet have a cup of honey or brown sugar, so get a nice color. But honey is of course always healthier for you. So let's scoop this down. And I'm gonna need have a 1 cup of water. I should do that first because it's pretty sticky right now. I hope they come down. Okay, in here we're gonna add salt, garlic, 1 clove of garlic, not too big. If it's big, just trim it off a little bit, peel. And if it's too small, you can add 2 little ones. That's a perfect size, 1 clove. Go in here. I have fish sauce. You don't like fish sauce, you just add more salt. Let's put this away. And we need some lime. If you don't want to use lime, you can use vinegar or lemon juice. This is how I cut my lime. Cutting on the sides, turning over, cut the other sides, cutting around the center. That's where it's easier to squeeze. See? And you don't need a chew for your to use your lime or lemon. So this is fresh. If you wanna, when choosing your lime, make sure that it's nice and smooth and lighter green. That means it's mature. If it's darker green and hard, there's no juice in it. No need to buy it because there's no juice. You have to squeeze it a little bit to make it's a little bit soft. That means plenty of juice. Okay, that's good. Where's that spoon? Let me use. I need to make sure that that doesn't get stuck on the bottom there. Okay, let's screw this. Let's come over here, put in a blender, close it tight. Blend it for a few minutes. And throw this out. In the meantime, I'm gonna get my hot water from the faucet to make fresh spring rolls. Okay. Let's see how this is. Okay, ooh, leaking. Okay, I have to make sure. Okay, let's turn this off here. I just want to need to get the hot water from the faucet to make fresh spring rolls. Okay, that looks good. And where's my peanut butter to make it creamy? I think I left my peanut butter in here because that's not creamy yet. Let's add peanut butter. If you want it more creamy, you can add more peanut butter. Oh, that's a little full. If you want it lighter, then don't add too much. Just for creaminess. Okay. Okay, I think the foam is a little bit much. Use a bigger blender if you're at home. Let's close this up again and blend it a few more seconds. Okay, this thing is leaking. Let's put this away. That should be good. You can make this. I will make a big jar of this and freeze it. They freeze very well. What I do is just I put in a small container and freeze it for like individual serving. Let's see if I can do this without spilling. And this peanut sauce is gonna go with the fresh spring roll that we're gonna make in a minute. Let's just set this right here for now, because I make a lot of these and then freeze them, so they're very good. Let me put this on the sides here. Put this away. And bring the hot water from the faucet. Wash my hands a little bit. Okay. Let's make some fresh spring rolls. I hope you're hungry. You didn't have lunch yet, did you?
No. Hungry.
Oh, good, good. Okay. To make fresh roll, we're making 2 different kinds today. This is cilantro leaves. What you do is just take the leaves right here. You know, this is perfect. Just like that. And just try to get the leaves, because in the fresh spring roll, you just want the leaves. With everything else, I just chop up the whole thing, the stems and everything. But for only the fresh spring rolls that I just like to use the leaves. Okay. All right. Jen, you went to Vietnam. You saw how this made, right? They steam this. This is just rice. They steam this on a flat surface. And they pick it up and then dry it on the bamboo weaves. See the weave? Mm-hmm. That's what you saw, the bamboo weave. And they completely dry and they ship it over here for us to make fresh spring roll. If there's hole in there, don't use it. Don't use that. I can use it. I can fix that. But if you're not experienced, and don't use it. What I'm doing, just dip in a very warm water from the faucet right here. Warm, not cold. And they'll come back alive again. They'll become sticky again. Let's do 2 here. I have 2 plates right here. Just for a couple of seconds, and pick it up. Shake off all the excess water. You don't want any water left in there. And lie it here for a few seconds to let it soften. Let it drip and shake it off. Okay, if it's too wet, you're gonna have to get the paper towel and then pat it dry. Okay, while waiting for that to get soft, we're gonna use this one is fresh spring roll with shrimp and jicama. This is jicama. This is what it's look like in a supermarket. A lot of supermarkets sell this, and light brown like this. We eat this like fruits. We just peel and eat them. Have you had them when you went to Laos? Yeah. It's in season. Like by side, you peel and eat them. So in here it's baked, so I'm gonna have to peel. You have to peel this, not other thing. Like you don't have to peel this one. You have to. If you can peel it off like this, you can. But this is baked, so I'm gonna peel it completely. Any brown spot, you just trim it off. Okay, why is my table oh, because I don't have the paper towel under. Let me get some wet paper towel and put it under so it doesn't move. Let's do this. You know what? Today's we don't have to cook anything. Everything's fresh. There we go. No wonder it was moving. And then you'll cut yourself. You need to get a wet paper towel put under your cutting board. Just cut it down. You can use a peeler if you want, but it's fine with just the knife. Trim this off. And it's sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna let you taste the trimming part of. Yeah, have a taste, guys. Thank you. It's sweet, crunchy, and cool. So you're gonna make big slice. You know, this stem of the cilantro, I'm gonna save this for to boil to make soup stock. Okay, I'm gonna cut in a big slice, and then we'll cut across to make a very thin and long strips. Okay, and pile it up together like that, and now cut to make little strips. It's sweet and crunchy and cool. We love to eat this in Laos because when it's in season, they grow this in sand, and they just pour it up bite-sized pieces. You just peel it up and eat like fruits. But if you put in the food, it's sweet and crunchy. So instead of adding sugar, you just add the jicama. Okay, this will go on a plate here, and I have some scallions, or you can use red onions for color. And what you do, just wash it first and cut very thin. You have to get it very thin because you don't want a big chunk of onions in scallion in your fresh spring rolls. Just move it over as thin as you can. Okay. And put in a tray like this. I'll go over here. And we need some iceberg for crunchiness also. We need some leaves in there. Very thin long strips. Pour it first. Okay, I think that should be enough. Let's get the whole thing. Okay. So everything have to be cut long strips because we're gonna make skinny and long spring rolls, and it's great for this weather. Like in June, hot like this, it's wonderful. You don't have to cook much. You can buy, I have here shrimp, it's already cooked. You can buy, I cook the shrimp myself. I just marinate with the salt, pepper, a little bit of sugar, and soy sauce, and put in a pan very quick, 1 minute on each side, or 1.5 minutes. And let it cool and slice. Let me show you how to slice this. See, I like to cut it thin, like that. And then I still feel that it's too hard for me, and I cut it again, so that way it's lined up longer like that. So you see another one here. Let me show you one more time. Cut it thin and coarse. Okay. And carrot, you just shred it in a cheese grater, the big hole, and this is how it comes out too. You don't want too big or too thin, it will be watery. If it's too big, and it will be too chewy. So let's clean this a little bit here. Okay, let's roll the spring roll. This is ready. I have to get my hand wet. It's nice to sit down with everybody and then roll this and eat it. Make sure that your hands clean, and for the like a lunch. I'm gonna add the carrot first. Now this is nice and soft. See, it's very soft. A little bit of carrot, not too much because it's very chewy. And your shrimp. You want to add your meat first, chicken or shrimp or tofu, so that way you can see, and a little bit of scallion, a little bit of everything, not too much. And here's the jicama, sweet and crunchy. A little bit of the iceberg lettuce or any lettuce you want. And I have some cilantro leaves, just a little bit. And basil leaves. If you have Thai basil, that's great. And that's it, not too much. And before you roll, dip this in here to make another one. Okay. And you pour it over, pour it back, just roll it once.